Hey guys, it's James BE365 here. We're here for an unboxing video. If you guys are longtime viewers, you guys will know that back when I hit 300 subscribers, I actually bought one of these. It was a black color, a black brass color, and you guys are probably wondering, wait a minute, James, what happened to that? I thought you still have that, right? Because you unboxed it when you had 300 subscribers. Well, there's a story behind that. So what happened was I was going to originally put that on one of the doors in the house. And we were afraid to drill the holes because we could possibly mess it up. So what we decided to do was we actually took it back and got a refund. So I decided that a few years later I kind of wanted this again. Not only because I just wanted to have it, as some of you guys know, I take a woodworking class and I'm going to be building a display board for this thing. So I figured I would get this because it would look great on the display board. So, here we are now to unbox, again, another Schlage Keypad BE365. So, here's the package it comes in. A BE365 VCAM 619. It's a keypad deadbolt. It's really cool. I'll be doing future videos with this as well after I get my display for it. So, the unboxing video will happen right now as you guys are watching, but I may not post the operation and programming until I get the display, just so it looks a lot nicer. The display will just be a block of wood. So you got a keypad deadbolt, very simple. And I think with that being said, I think we can cut into it. So I actually forgot to grab a knife, so let me do that real quick, guys. I'll probably speed this up. All right, I'm back with the knife. So we're just gonna nice and easily cut into it. Just gotta do it nice and easy. Don't wanna destroy the box in case I need to take it back. Got this at Menards for a nice price, $83. Very good. They had a black. I wanted to get the black color. That cost like 20 extra bucks, so I decided not to grab that, and I decided to grab this one. So this is the satin nickel finish. Is what this kind has, as you can see right there. So this is not the black brass color. This is the satin nickel. Obviously, you guys can see that from the picture here. All right, here we go. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. It's another box. Yep, they actually now package these newer ones in these boxes. So like, what happens is you just turn it so you're able to get the box out. And then inside the box, it's all nicely set up. So put this over here. Now we got this. So this right here is going to be everything we need. Like there's nothing else. There's nothing else in here. So we crack this open. Instructions. I'm going to hide those because I know like some of them will show. Yep, right there. That's the programming code. So let me cover up the camera and grab this real quick because this got personal information on it and we don't want to show that. Put the instructions over there. There we go. So, all right, I see the deadbolt. So before we continue, well, actually, let's just pull it out. Take a look at it. So there it is itself. There's the inside thing, and then here's the keypad. So we'll pull it out. We'll take a look at it. Because this is going to be a really cool project that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And I finally get to say today that today is like the first phase of beginning this project. Because a lot of you guys may or may not know, I really enjoy my woodworking class at my school, and unfortunately, COVID has kind of prevented me from having the full experience. So I've been stuck having to like not be able to do as much, you know, because of COVID, unfortunately. Anyway, oh, there goes some stuff. Now I'm gonna real quick, guys, before we continue, I'm gonna put a sticky note over the thing. So I'm gonna cut. I'll be right back. I took out this real quick, guys, and I put a sticky note over the programming code and user codes on this just for privacy reasons. I mean, I know I don't really need to do that because I can obviously change them, but just want to do that for privacy reasons. So when we take a look at this, It's actually very nice. It's a little shiny too, so I don't know how well I'm going to be able to film this. Anyway, here's the keypad. If I just hold it up like this, we should be fine. Here's the keypad itself. You got the buttons on there. You got the deadbolt thing itself. Yeah, this is the keypad. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this. It's very cool. I recommend Schlage's products. They make some amazing. They make some really nice products. I've been very impressed with how well they made them. But there you guys go. So that's the keypad itself. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, wonder what this is. Probably the most important part, the deadbolt. Deadbolt obviously is going to, oh, that was a voice crack. Deadbolt's obviously going to lock the keypad, you know, or lock the door when you have it extended, obviously. It's the most important part in order for securing it. You got in here strike plates, a battery, and the key. Where is the key? Oh, here it is. And I wish I could get the key. There we go. Here's the key. They just give you one key. They used to give you two. They only give you one now, which I kind of find interesting. So there you guys go. We'll pull this off. So this is the little this little thing is just protecting my thing. There goes my clock. And if you guys haven't seen my clock videos, go check them out on my channel. If you really like clocks, check them out. So that's my Bulova C3542. You guys are hearing it's chiming the 45-minute chime right now. So you guys are getting to hear that. That's it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got any questions about this amazing keypad lock? Please let me know in the comments. That's it. See you guys next time.